spring. I like spring because the weather is warm. I like spring because the weather is warm.
Summer. Summer is very hot in my country. Summer is very hot in my country.
Fall/autumn. I love fall because the air is cool. I love fall because the air is cool.
Winter. Winter is cold and sometimes windy. Winter is cold and sometimes windy.
Seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. There are 4 seasons in a year.
Weather expressions. To be warm. It is warm in the spring. It is warm in the spring.
To be cold. It is cold in the winter. It is cold in the winter.
To be hot. It is very hot in the summer. It is very hot in the summer.
To be cool. It is cool in the fall. It is cool in the fall.
Now let's listen to a conversation about seasons and weather with Anna and David. What do they say about the seasons and the weather? Let's begin.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy to have you here with us today.
I'm Anna.
And I'm David.
In today's episode, we're going to talk about seasons and weather.
Yes, we'll share simple sentences, easy vocabulary, and a fun conversation.
So, if you want to improve your English and talk about daily life topics, this episode is perfect for you.
All right, let's get started and enjoy the conversation.
Hi, David. What's your favorite season?
Hi, Anna. I like spring because it is warm and nice.
Oh, I like spring too. The weather is not too hot and not too cold.
Exactly. What about summer?
Summer is very hot, but I like going to the beach.
Same here. I don't like hot weather, but I enjoy summer activities.
What do you think about fall?
I love fall. The weather is cool and it feels relaxing.
Yes, cool weather is perfect for taking a walk.
How about winter?
Winter is too cold for me. I don't like cold weather.
Really? I like winter because I can wear warm clothes.
That's true. There are 4 seasons in a year and each season is special.
Yes, every season has something nice.
All right, that's all for today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed learning about seasons and weather with us.
Keep practicing your English every day, even with simple sentences.
Yes, practice makes progress.
Thanks so much for listening.
Don't forget to subscribe and join us in the next episode.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym, talking at the bar till I walk in. Baby, why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking